navigate to the MyLMU homepage. Under Academics, select Writing and Course Tutoring. This will automatically send you to WCONLINE, which is the scheduling system that we use for all tutoring. If you haven't already done so, you'll be prompted to create a profile. Once you do that, all you have to do is log in and select the appropriate schedule that you want to view. So if you're coming in to meet with a course tutor for chemistry, go ahead and click on course tutoring and then log in. Make sure that once you get to this scheduling page that you're on the appropriate schedule. So if you're coming in for course tutoring, double check that you're on course tutoring. WCONLINE does default to the Writing Center scheduling. So it might automatically select you to Writing Center, but if you're here for course tutoring or if you're here for language tutoring, just go ahead and filter to these two different scheduling pages. So once you're on the page, you want to go ahead and use this Limit To feature for course tutoring in order to select the specific course or topic that you're coming in for tutoring. So let's say I'm coming in for organic chemistry. I limit it to organic chemistry and then see what tutors and at what time are available for me to come in for that. So once you see a time that's available with these white slashes, you go ahead and click it, create a new appointment, fill this information out, and say create appointment.